Ohio is one step away from taking center stage in the national debate on abortion. The State House and Senate just passed the heartbeat bill. It is the third time Ohio lawmakers have sent a bill to ban abortion at the first detectable heartbeat to the governor's desk. But this time there's someone new sitting there. News 5's Olivia Fecto shows us the two very different and very emotional sides of the debate.
The bill would ban abortions about 6 weeks or so into pregnancy. Pro-choice advocates oppose the bill, saying the bill doesn't allow women to make their own choices and the bill doesn't allow exceptions for rape and incest. Pro-life advocates support the bill, saying the detection of a fetal heartbeat proves a baby is alive and should be treated as a person whose rights must be protected. The two women we spoke with today have both had abortions themselves. These two women each shared a personal story about abortion. Christy Baller found out she was pregnant at 16. She didn't want to tell her family.
I was afraid they would be disappointed in me.
Christina Andrews got pregnant again after having two children right after getting a new job.
So basically for me it was a financial decision and it was a parenting decision that I had to make.
Both women chose to end their pregnancies, but their feelings afterward differed dramatically. Baller says she didn't feel she had a choice and wished she had been given better information.
Afterwards, having a profound emptiness and somehow knowing deep down inside of me that it wasn't a compass house, that I'd had a child when I came in and now that child was gone forever.
Andrews says her choice opened up options for her.
I would have had another person that I would have had to financially take care of, and then I wouldn't have been able to get to myself, which I was just finally being able to do that. My children was getting of age where they were just going to school, and which my son was 5 years old, just going to kindergarten. So I feel like it would have took me steps back.
Baller says it took her years to heal emotionally. She's now pro-life and on the board of a pregnancy center. She supports the bill that would ban abortion in Ohio after the detection of a fetal heartbeat.
I often wonder what the heart of my child would have accomplished in this world if I hadn't stopped that beating heart.
Andrews joined a leadership development program through NARAL Pro-Choice Ohio, giving information on reproductive health care to the community. She opposes abortion bans.
I feel like when you take that choice away and people already know that they want that abortion, and it's like you make them have it, you don't know what comes with that, and it could come with chaos.
Two women with a common experience are now using their voices to advocate for what they believe. Both chambers passed the bill today, and it's now headed to Governor Mike DeWine for a signature. If he signs it into law, it's likely the law will be challenged in court. If that happens, the current abortion laws in Ohio will remain in place while those legal arguments are happening. Olivia Fecto, News 5.